1, 2, 3. Yeah, I was in love with a VTuber as I tried to find where I belong. 'Cause with no sub I would have left her. Well, tell me why I'm singing about her. 'Cause I believe this is Ham's song. And I don't watch her 'cause I had to end my sadness. Let them think that I am wrong. But I know better. And Ham said, I don't think you should sub no more. You've not been happy lately. Ham, I thank you for all you've done. 'Cause I don't want to forget to say this. And I will sub you just like you did me. Look around watching others for kicks. Need to find Ham. Not streaming for your follow. Streaming for my Hamsband. Yeah. Yeah. Can my connection stop lagging? Is that a cat or a dragon? Look, I'm going with the flow. So I tried to learn what I don't know. 'Cause I don't believe in Twitch no more. And no one will remember how it turned to shit. I don't know it and surrender. And I remember what Ham said. I don't think you sub no more. You've not been happy lately. Ham, I thank you for all you've done. 'Cause I don't want to forget to say this. And I'm a crier, and I don't mean anything. Camera's on and I sit in silence. Just know, I'm not streaming for your follow. I'm streaming for my Hamsband. Yeah. Yeah.